thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, and to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I literally post daily videos and pictures on makeup, fashion, and all the upcoming videos that I will be making, as it is a broad spectrum. Also, I post videos every single week, so it's always something fun going on my channel. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as the little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos. So, let's get into this. Wigs, of course. Wigs are literally my clutch lately. I've been giving my hair, my platinum hair, a complete break, and I've been wearing wigs every single day of my life for weeks. And honestly, like I've said before, it literally has improved my life daily, and that is no joke. So I literally have been like putting my hair up and like it's gonna look greasy, but it literally just has tons of leave-in conditioner in it. I'm just like literally letting the old hair take a break and literally having dream hair every day. I mean, why wouldn't I want to have dream hair every single day? Now, with this wig, I actually bought this wig a couple of years ago, and literally, shame on me, didn't cut the lace off and didn't wear it. It's like I almost forgot I had it. I sometimes go on these spurts where I just will buy like 3 wigs at a time, and then I'll just get so busy, and I have my wigs in a different room, so I don't really see them sometimes, but now I'm always in that room. So this is a gorgeous one. This is by Freetress Equal right here. Now, I remember when I actually picked out this color, this pink gold, and the style is Emilia. What's funny is, well, I don't know about funny, but it was confusing because there are so many colors in this wig style. So I remember like it was bogging my mind because there's a pink gold, a rose gold, a pink gold, or no, and a rose pink. I was like, I don't know which tone I need. But I did pick the pink gold. But they're also, with this line, they have these amazing colors in this toffee. I've seen the toffee, the crunch, and the sunrise. I mean, people, do you see that? Like literally, it is a color fun dream. And yeah, so like I said, I picked the pink gold. So let's just take a look at her. Yeah, and all my wigs are girls. Everything is, because they deserve as much credit as possible. Look at that, wow. So this is heat safe, of course. Now up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And also this has a deep and wide flat laid parting. So I do like the parting, and you can see it's probably a solid 4 inches. I don't know if you can see that right there. And then also the roots, it's kind of a mixture of probably a very dark brown. It's not quite 1B, but it also has like some lighter brown pieces in it. So it's not so striking of like so dark, but can you see that? Can you see how great that is? And then also what I love about these wigs with these multi-colors, it's like multi-dimensional. So like there are blonde pieces in here as well as that rose gold. And that's what I absolutely love about it. It's like, it's multi-dimensional. I can't fight it, and I will not fight it. So the inside of the wig, so there are 2 clips on the side here, and then there is 1 clip in the back. And let's just take here, I'll kind of just let you look at that. In here, it's really great. The texture is super soft, and I mean, look how great. I mean, I cannot not talk about it. And I literally feel bad that I literally forgot about wearing her. I mean, really, but I'm making up for lost times right now. I'm making it up. So let's take down my hair. Of course, I have my wig cap in nude, which I did from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. It was a 10-pack for $5.99. Literally the best deal in the world. Get the 10-pack, because wig caps, they go missing. I throw them around. I throw them on my couch generally, like when I get home from work. soon as I get home and get in the house, I literally like just whip off my wig and I toss it on this couch right here. So at the end of the week, the couch looks pretty crazy. I cannot lie. Okay, so I have my wig cap on. Everything's good. And then let's put her on. Oh goodness. I mean, can we just talk about this? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. She is just so good. Also, I feel like she does have minimal or just like standard shedding. I don't feel like it's anything aggressive, but we're gonna try her down the middle. And as you ladies already know, I'm not really a down the middle kind of gal, but we must try it down the middle. So let's take a look at her ends. Ooh. Okay, there's that. Now I'm gonna put it on, this is the side that I normally put my hair. I mean, look, oh my gosh. She's almost like a Veronica Lake. Don't you guys agree? Kind of like a retro. Oh, I love it like this. And so, actually, this is how I generally always wear it. And then also, what I've been doing too, just to add a little, cause I like to do this with wigs, I just will like kind of pin up a side, like right up here, and kind of just have it like this. Since I generally don't like it all up in front, even though I know, as you can clearly see, it looks amazing all up in front. But there's that, and let's part it on this side. I don't know if I've done it on this side. This is where I would give the misfit eyebrow some time to be showcased. And sometimes you just have to do it. Oh, this is like a totally different look on this side. Oh, I love it. I do love it. I mean, I love this color. I love this color. Let me know if you have this wig, or actually, because this style of this deluxe front lace premium, there's actually many styles that have all of these colors. I wanna see you in these wigs. I wanna know if you have a favorite color in this huge line of colors that it comes in. I would love to know about it. Like I said, reach out to me, leave me a comment down below, and follow me on Instagram, and that's a great way for you to reach out to me, send me a message with you wearing wigs, your makeup looks. I wanna see you guys looking amazing. So let's share the positivity of the world, because remember, it is your absolute right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So, if you can be fabulous, be fabulous. And again, I thank you, and we will see you soon.